In this tutorial, I will guide you how to add text to a picture in Word document. For this, you need to go to the Insert and select the picture from your computer device. Once you insert the picture, you can resize it, go to the home, make it center, alignment as per your choice. Now head to the insert and go to the word art. Click on any of the pre-built style which you like most. Select any of them. Once you see the four-headed black arrow, you need to drag it to the picture, make it resize, and now insert your desired text. For example, ring, and you can drag it to anywhere on the picture as per requirement. Now when you move the picture, it is not moving. So how you can move it? You need to click out this layout option and click square. Now you can move it anywhere. And now you did not see the text. So for this you need to right click and go to the send to back and click send to back, and now text is again in front of the picture. Now you can see that picture is moving but text is not moving. So how you can move both text and picture? For this you need to select the picture, hold the control key and text, and now right click and click group, and now you can see that both image and text is moving. So if you want to format the text, you need to select the text and go to the shape format, and here you will see that some shape styles over here. Which one you like, you can select it. You can go to the shape fills and change the color of the box. Go to the shape outline and you can change the shape outlines as well. Even you can select no outline, and you can also go to the shape, and here some give some glow effects. Here is the word art style, you can change as per your need. Here you can change the text color from here. This is the border style. So in this way you can easily add text to a picture in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.